So today we're going to talk about these festival balls from Pyro Predator, and I actually got these for free last summer after I stopped at a fireworks store, and I haven't actually been able to find any video of them, so we are going to shoot some off tonight just to see what they look like. And if I can get the lid off. So as you can see, they're just your standard 1.5 inch festival ball kit. The shells themselves actually look pretty well made for festival balls, but unfortunately they are not labeled, so it's anybody's guess as to what they actually do. But I think these will be pretty fun just to play around with some. When I got them for free, I had the choice between these, some bottle rockets, and a package of firecrackers, and I figured that out of the three, these would definitely be the most exciting. So, you know, can't complain about getting free pyro. So when it gets dark, we will shoot them off and see what they look like.